everyone, welcome to Modern Aromatic. This is my channel where I talk about everything essential oil related, and you may have watched my intro video where I talk about my interest in essential oils, and I have been a Young Living distributor for 2 years now, and after doing a lot of research on different types of oils, I've also used different types of oils, different companies, did a lot of research and realized that for me, I thought that Young Living was the best, and this was the one that I chose to go with, which is why all of my videos are geared towards all of the products with Young Living. What I'm doing today is I have received my January shipment. I'm here to unbox it, so I'm going to show you what I got for the month of January. Now, the Essential Rewards is a really good program where you order, you know, what you need monthly, and you can completely customize it every single month, from down to every single oil, supplement, product, whatever it is that you want. It's all customizable every single month, so you only get what exactly that you want. And then when you purchase certain amounts, Young Living does give you free products when you reach certain amounts. So for example, this month I got for free Digize. There it is. Digize. This was the one that came for free with my box this month. And what it does, Digize is pretty amazing. It relieves all things digestive related. It helps with indigestion, bloating, gas, heartburn. It helps when, you know, like things are not moving so well. It just sort of like helps your gut to function the way it's supposed to function. So if you've eaten something that just didn't agree with you, gave you a bit of a belly ache, or a little bit of acid reflux, heartburn, or anything like that, you can either apply it right here to get rid of that, you know, that horrible sensation where it sort of feels like it's coming back up and repeating on you. You can rub it right here on your chest, or if you've got like your stomach problems, rub it on your belly. It will work within minutes. A lot of people don't like the smell of this. It does smell funky when you don't use it, and that's because it has fennel and patchouli in it, and there's a bunch of other oils as well, but the fennel and patchouli kind of give it a really earthy smell. So a lot of people, when they smell that, they're like, whoa, ugh, you know, and some people really love it. So I think it really just depends. I'm one of those people that despises it, except when I have a stomach ache or something's not agreeing with me. I use this and I smell it, and all I smell is peppermint, because there's peppermint in here as well. But when I open it and when my body really needs it, all I smell is peppermint, and it smells actually delicious. Now, because it's a vitality oil, which is the white label, this has been approved for ingesting. And what I mean by that is not like you just tip the whole bottle back and start drinking it. That would be really dumb. You would actually only put 1 drop right underneath your tongue, right there, right underneath your tongue, and that is all that you would need. So some people do that because they don't like the smell. Some people rub it on their bellies, and then some people also put it on the bottoms of their feet and then put their socks over it so they don't smell it. But either way, as long as it's getting on your body, it's working to help you with all of your gut health. So I got that. Then I received this month, I ordered the Lavamint. And what it is, it's a softening foot scrub. So I wanted to get my feet sort of like, you know, get them all prettied up, because winter is now over and spring is here. So the sandals will start coming out. And what this is, this Lavamint, I'm trying this for the first time. It's a softening foot scrub, which exfoliates callous skin, blah, blah, blah. This is the interesting bit. It has the soothing power of 4 natural exfoliants. So it has volcanic sand, pumice, diatomaceous earth, and coconut shell. And these are what they use in here to get that grit, so that it'll rub off like any of the dead skin that you have, but in a gentle way. And then the rest of it in here is peppermint, lavender, and spearmint oils. So it smells really minty. It smells lovely. I can't wait to use this. I really am excited to get my feet, you know, all prettied up again for the summer, because I am going to start wearing the sandals pretty soon. The next thing I got in my box was Sclaressence. There we are. Bottle of Sclaressence. This, I love this. I absolutely love this dearly. I never run out of this, and this is why I got another bottle, because I was almost at the end of my current bottle. This is the bad boy that balances hormones, and I wouldn't say that, you know, I have these crazy erratic hormones, but my family would say that I do. So what happens is this blend actually is clary, peppermint, Spanish sage, and fennel. You can't smell the fennel, which is really interesting. You can't smell the fennel at all. It smells very minty, very fresh, and there's a little something to it, which I think is the sage or the clary, but it's definitely not the fennel. And I've had a lot of compliments on this from guys who are like, what are you wearing? That smells so good. And I was like, really? It's just Sclaressence, which is for hormones, which I find amusing that all guys love this, and it's supposed to balance out women's hormones. But what it does is that these blend of the 4 oils, what they are, it's using like essential oil phytoestrogens to help manage your estrogen levels, and like supports your body's own hormone production. So it gets into you within the cellular level and helps to balance everything out. So if you've got a little bit too much of estrogen or testosterone or whatever it is, it sort of just evens everything out and makes sure that your body is producing the right amount of hormones to make you all level. So this one, I love it. I love it to death. I tend to have, well, I'm going to be honest, I do tend to have like some PMS symptoms where one minute I'm all laughing, really happy, and then the next second I'm like angry about something, you know, so that sort of imbalance, it really just sort of makes me more even keeled. This is why I love this. The next one I got was Oola Balance. And I haven't smelled this yet, so I'm just going to crack this open. But, ooh, that's like almost yummy. Yummy. There's a lot in here. Let's see if I can just sort of read the ingredients really quick. But what it is, it's designed to align and balance your center and giving you like increased concentration to give you kind of like a positive outlook. So I don't even know if I can read this. Yes, it's got lavender. It has, I'm sure I'm missing something right now. I can't even read it. I can't read it. But Google Oola Balance, and what it does is, so what you're supposed to do, it sort of like balances your mind and your body so that it's working in perfect function with one another to help you focus on like your passions and your behavior and your health, so that you can really sort of like address everything and make it amplified for the better. So I got this because I'm really focusing on the moment at like decluttering my home, getting healthy again. I've got some weight that I need to shift from previous experience with another company that, you know, I had like stress related weight gain. So I'm working on this. I'm trying to eat better, work out, get healthy, get my life healthy, because it's not just all about fitness, but it's also about what's going on inside your body as well as your mind. So I'm trying to just do a complete overhaul on really focusing on my own self-love at the moment. So I got this oil to help me generate those positive feelings and really focus on the areas that I want to focus on in my life. Then the last thing that I got in my ER box this month was the Dentarome Plus Thieves toothpaste. There it is. This is awesome. So if you're looking for an all-natural toothpaste, I highly recommend this. It's delicious. It's actually formulated for like long lasting freshness, and it's also got excuse me, a unique formula for antiseptic, antimicrobial, therapeutic grade essential oils to combat plaque, plaque causing microorganisms. And there was even a study done at Weber University where they took a look at the Thieves oil that is in this, and how it actually was found to have really potent antimicrobial properties that combat against a wide range of microbes within your mouth. So not only is it really good for like plaque, it you know, it helps support your gums and your teeth, but it also helps to get rid of all of the really crappy oral microbes that you know you would find. But this is in an all natural toothpaste. So in here, it's super simple ingredients. Sodium bicarbonate, you've got peppermint oil, wintergreen, clove, lemon, cinnamon, and rosemary. I mean, how basic can you get with this? There's no added, you know, like sugary sweeteners like xylitol or anything like that. Nothing's added with this. You can swallow this. So you can use this for your kids, you can use this on yourself, and there's no risk of having to call poison control if you accidentally swallow it like commercial toothpastes. Highly recommend this. It gives you a lovely fresh breath, and your teeth feel super clean afterwards, like really pearly, like squeaky clean. So that was it. That's all I got in my ER box this month, and I was really pleased with the products that I've got. Can't wait to start cracking using that Lavamint foot scrub, and also starting to use this Oola balance. I just can't wait. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I will be doing my unboxing every month, and then I will be doing lots of other videos, about 5 minutes long for each video, just going over all the different essential oils and products that Young Living carry, to give you as much information as possible so that you can make your own decisions and how you want to use essential oils to benefit and make your life even healthier. So click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you, and I will talk to you next time. Take care.